Hello, Skyview. How are you guys doing? Boy, it's amazing what we've gone through in the past weeks, huh? So, let's get started. I have the Skyview Middle School webpage open, and we're just going to scroll down from here, and you will see our teacher virtual classrooms. So, for our purposes as elective teachers, we wanted to offer you a variety of choices. Now, there's no way to deliver the same robotics class that I had planned for you this next quarter. So, we have found ways to present options that are going to be interesting for you, and you're going to get an incredible opportunity to try all of the electives. So if you are taking my class, my leadership class, um, it would just be, it's a group dynamics class. And we're not in a group. So what we're going to do is offer you a chance to take um, an option from Miss Eggleston or Mr. Burns or Mr. Cudd. And these are called the elective options. So let me just click right here on the elective options. And the page will open up where you will see what each teacher has prepared for you for this particular week. So this week I'm offering Pixar animation. However, if you don't have a computer or if it doesn't interest you, then you can come over here to try Miss Eggleston's printmaking option. Or let's suppose you have a large family and you want to build a fun snow shelter. You can try Mr. Burns' option for this week. Or you can work on Mr. Cudd's option. It's up to you. The priority is, or the important part of the grade is, you need to check in with the teacher. You need to go to their Zoom video conferencings. You need to also complete what is called the weekly check-in right here. So that is an option for you. It's called the elective options. And hopefully May 1st, we'll be back together again where we can actually finish out the quarter. So until then, keep coming back to the Skyview page and this elective option so you can make your choices. If you come here to the KPBSD website, you will see that we have Google Classroom and Canvas. Also, the Zoom option is added as well. So if you choose to go to take my option, you will be going to my Google Classroom, and you'll see the front page of it looks like this, and the classwork will be listed right here. And so the Pixar option will be listed, and we'll be doing the assignment through Khan Academy. All right, I also have a Google site. So you will see I will present the same lesson here. So whichever comes up for you and is more comfortable for you to use, you can choose to use either one of those options. So let me come back over here. One last thing to come back here to the Skyview page. I'm going to click on my name because you're going to take my Pixar option, and I choose Miss Church. Okay, scroll down just a little bit and you will see that the links are right here. So do venture through, click around, make sure you know exactly what is expected from your teachers. And we're just going to give this a try. I think it's going to be a wonderful learning opportunity. If nothing else, it's going to be a learning opportunity for me because I just spent 15 minutes recording this video backwards. Yeah, everything was backwards. So hopefully this one will work. So do share the funny things that happen And next week, I'll introduce you to my new puppy. His name is Charlie. All right, guys. Have a nice evening or morning or whatever kind of a day it is for you. I'll say goodbye now. See you soon.